Let's explore the Create a Service Area tool, which will allow you to create a custom KML file to use later as your geographic selection in Gale Analytics. This video will show 3 different ways to use this tool. After signing into Gale Analytics, from the Home tab, click on Create a Service Area. Click Run. Your first choice is whether you want to create a KML file for a single service area or for multiple branch areas. Use the multiple branch areas selection for the branches dashboard, but for all other Gale Analytics dashboards, keep it on the default for a single service area. Now, designate what should be included in the service area. In this first example, I'd like to combine 2 zip codes as one geographic area. I'll use the zip code selection to make my choices. Drill in as needed, and then make your selections. Underneath the selection tree, I will give a name to my service area, and I'll customize the name of the output. Click Run. The tool creates 2 different outputs, a preview of the map area and the KML file itself. The Service Area Maps option allows you to spot check whether the intended selections were made. Assuming that this is your intended service area, now you'll need to download the KML file. Toggle over to the KML file. Specify that you want that file format, and then click to download. Save the file and use it the next time you run Gale Analytics. Now let's take a look at another way to create a custom map file. Instead of using the check boxes to construct a single service area, this time I'm going to hand draw it on a map. I'll click over to the Draw Service Area selection, and then zoom in or navigate over to the area of the map that you need. Here's a community. Let's say I only want to focus on households that live in this area between the interstate and highways. Click Polygon, and then begin clicking to draw the points of your desired service area map. If you find that you're not able to be as precise as you'd like, remember that you can zoom in further before you proceed. Once you've finished your shape, click Done. Give your shape a name and click Save. Down below the map selection, customize your output name and click Run. As before, you can view your resulting shape on your screen, and if that is the intended map area, follow the same process to download your KML file. The Create a Service Area tool is also extremely useful for the branches dashboard. This tool will create a single KML file with multiple segments for each branch. Let me show you how this works. For the type of service area, this time select multiple branch areas. Now, click to draw your own service area. I'm going to zoom in. And once again, use the polygon tool to draw the first branch's service area. When you're done, give it a name. It helps if you use the same name as found in your ILS data, but that's not required. Continue this process until you have completed the map showing your different branch service areas. Polygon, click to draw the shape. Click when you're done and name the branch area. As before, customize your output name and click Run. Review the service area maps preview. If this map does not meet your needs, then click Rerun at the top, and you can click on each shape individually to either rename it, modify it, or delete it. When you click Modify, you have lots of options to change the shape of that branch service area, and simply click Done when you are finished. Proceed with this process. Again, we're going to click Run. Review how the service area maps display on the page. Yes, that's much better. And when you're finished, download the KML file format to use later in the branch's Gale Analytics dashboard. Later, when you're running the branch's dashboard, in the step called Branch Territory Options, click Upload Branches Shapes file and simply upload the single KML file you created that contains the several shapes you've designated.